Jada Pinkett Smith has addressed Oscar slap for the first time. Hopes Will and Chris can heal. Talk this out. This is red table talk, I'm sure, that we're talking about here. That took a while. I guess there was healing, behind the scenes healing going on. Mm-hmm. She opened the latest episode of Red Table Talk by saying, "My deepest hope is that these two intelligent, capable men have an opportunity to heal, talk this out, and reconcile." Jada only had one more remark about the incident, which was that she believes both her husband and Chris are needed now more than ever. What?
As entertainers. Because it's a negative world, apparently.
Right. Well,
What?
No, none of this is.
It doesn't make sense.
Of course not.
It's such a quick
ridiculous.
video. I don't want to play it.
No, you don't have to play it. I mean, I get it.
Yeah.
I'm in trouble. This is the I'm in trouble.
What is this like glow? This like fogginess in the room?
Like it's all out of focus.
Is this a filter or something?
I don't know.
There's a, yeah. Well,
It seems to be focused on her.
Don't say it, Will. Don't say it.
no,
forehead.
I'm not really talking. I mean, I'm not talking so much about. It looks like she's cut out. Like it looks like one of those
Green
cheap
screen?
Snapchat filters, as opposed to actual real life bokeh.
Yeah.
Agreed.
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 Agreed or agree to disagree.
No, agreed.
But I don't understand. Like, how do you? Why do they have to hash it out? Like, that's what's weird to me. Chris Rock doesn't have to do anything. He just go live
Absolutely not.
Go live his life.
Yeah.
She makes it sound like I
I think Chris Rock should go make fun of them.
in his defense, he didn't really, like, he didn't press charges or anything.
Nope.
He just moved on with his life.
Mm-hmm.
He may have talked about it in his comedy show a little bit.
No, not the first night, but he did say that he was going to, that he's working on a...
He could
Of course.
find a way to do it like that, but he does not have to
Hash it out or
do
heal.
anything, really.
Yeah.
That
no.
if he doesn't want to. I mean, once it turned to violence, you can't reason with violence,
No.
right? When somebody is hitting you,
Yeah.
and you say, "Oh, hash it out."
Right.
Okay, well, sometimes maybe you're wrestling with your brother or something, but
That's different.
a guy walks up on stage in front of the whole world and slaps you.
That's the point of no return. Like,
For a lot of people, I think it is.
yeah.
I think it is. I mean, it's up to him. It's up to them. It's definitely, it's up to Chris Rock, whatever he wants to do with it. But you can't act like it's up to them.
Isn't it bizarre, though, that she's saying this?
Yes.
Like, that to me is the most...
She's like, you do this now.
Yeah.
So
Anyways.
Well, she got to say something on the Red Table Talk, and everybody...
now all the episodes are about alopecia.
Right.
So
Yeah. Well, listen. It's... we went right from the slap to Johnny Depp and everything else, so...
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what the world. I don't know if the world needs Hollywood more than ever right now. Maybe the opposite. I don't know. Maybe the world needs to put down their phone and go outside. I don't know. I'm just.
Yeah.
Unless you're watching Lou later, in which case you can take us with you.
yeah.
Right.
Because those are things that we do as well.